There's the fact that, of course, children are more vulnerable when they are out of school. And whereas COVID is this, I think has been in many ways painted as a big bad, monster. There's so many things that children out of school are facing, whether it's they're forced to be out on the street, they're engaged in child labor, they're at increased, risk of unprotected sex, so, unplanned pregnancies. So there's just so much that the school environment protects them. So I think one would have to say which is the lesser evil, and depending on where you stand, the lesser evil is keep them out of school. If you're on the other side, the lesser evil is, open up the schools and let them in. There's a lot happening. People are moving up and down in the country. So the schools are not the only cause for concern with regards to we result in a surge in cases. So I think we just need to look at things as wide, as broadly as we can, and not vilify schools as a potential epicenter for infection. And just, I think, for the most part, just take one decision at a time. If you think about children, for them, COVID-19 is probably something that is so far removed, right? Unless they've had a case in their own homes, or had a reason to interact directly with the reality of COVID. So it becomes very hard to say that, you know what, we can make sure they don't play together. I mean, a child's normal behavior is to investigate, to interact, to be up close. I think it's very hard to disrupt those social norms. I think the fact that they've been at home, separated from their normal school environments, also makes it harder for them to then be back in school and be expected to sort of distance.